Hi everyone, Joker Artie. We're back at the Lachine Canal where we had the stretch done last week, and today the water level is high, so they opened the channel, but not for anything else than just putting water. So let's go and try to find something. It will be less easier, maybe less catch, but we will have fun. So have a good day. So today we're going to use the Kratos Titan for the first time. I received it Wednesday, so let's go and toss that bad boy out. And also I've got a fresh new rope from Kratos. Let's see for the first toss if I got something. I don't think I've got something. First toss, a big nothing. We'll continue. So, we've got luck today. Small luck. Piece of wire and a nail. First find of the day. I say major find of the day for now. So let's continue. I think I've found something bigger. You see the bubbles right there? Right there. I don't know what I lift up, but it feels heavier. Oh! Nice! 2 catches at once. And another lock. Nice. Rebar and chain with a lock. That's nice rebar. And I'm sure this city of Montreal won't be happy to lose another chain. So and I've got a nail also. Cool. Let's keep going. What the hell? Another chain. What? What the F? Another chain. What are they doing? Another chain with locks and a piece of wire, steel wire. How many chains? Let's see if there's another one. Oh, there's something again. Whoa! Again? What the heck? Two chain. Now I'm at 3. Let's see if there's something else. Okay, there's nothing else. Then three 3 throws in the same area. That's cool. Okay. What do I've got here? Okay, I think that's for I don't know. If someone know the answer, just write in the comments. So nail, another lock. Then today is my lock day. Thanks for Mother Day, the Sunday for Mother's Day. It gives me luck. I would say more locks than luck. So let's continue. Nice. That's cool. Some flat iron. Nice. In the bucket. Hey Jose, in the bucket. I just found a camera for something. Okay. There was nothing else on it, but that's cool. What is that? Oh, it's a cigarette case or something like that. Cool. First, I'm gonna throw the bolts and nails and this thing, and let's see if it's open. Yep, nothing in it, but my first case. It's a case scenario. The concrete has just been done, and the magnet is tucking to the side. But I just found a nice broken. Oh, what is that? Yeah, I don't know. Maybe an electric tool. First time I see something that looks like a screwing thing, or it's a smaller one that has been broke off. And I've got this rebar cut off. That's it. A little tube. Oh no, I think it's no, it's a tube, but it's a closed tube, so maybe there was some concrete in it. Okay. I just got an umbrella. What does it say? Institut de Leadership. Leadership Institute. Okay, so thanks, but I don't need it. It's full sunny out there. Thanks again. I found a pen. And let's play bottle cap. It's a Labatt Bleu Dry. For those who doesn't know, it's from Labatt, Ontario-based company. For beer, it's I think it's the second biggest one in Canada. There was a fight between Molson and Labatt during the 80s and the 90s, for who's gonna be the bigger one. But since Labatt and Coors, from Coors Light, got together, Labatt has been submerged with in the beer war in Canada, but they've got some good stuff. They bought microbreweries all around. They godfather some of the newest microbrewer. I think they also have not a membership, but a scholarship or something for new brewers. I got something big, and I'm working it out. What? Oh no, just left. Oh no, maybe it's still here. No, there's something big. Oh, I catch some pennies. I got more money. Let's play cash cab, or more cash magnet. Let's go try to get that thing over there. Oh, it's just some papers. Damn it, I thought it was something big. But I've got some something that twists. And what's that? Oh, it's a whistle. I won't whistle in it because it's gross, but yeah, we'll keep it. And some other money. 5 cents, another 5 cents. Oh, and there's a 10 one. I've tried to work the thing that was over there, but I don't know what it is. I keep getting stuck on it, and every time it slides off. I tried on different direction, still doesn't want to come. You see, I just grabbed it again. It's really stuck in the mud or in the rocks. And every time it let go. Or maybe there's something I shouldn't attach myself to underneath that. Okay, then since it's been like 10 or 15 minutes I'm on it, I will let it go. Let it go, let it go. Ah, damn it. Sorry, little girl watching the ice princess or something like that. Frozen. Kaplunk. Hey, bottom thumpers. Kaplunk. Oh, something that's cool. Underneath the bridge, there's some urban gym thing. They can even come right over here. Even the dogs let shits, but they're got balls, but they're concrete balls. And there's also a punching bag. That's cool. Some big concrete balls. And I think this is for putting them on. So yeah, if you want to be a strongman, those balls seems awfully heavy. Oh, by the way, the Lachine Canal where I'm at, this is the first piers that was made in 18 something until 1970. they were being used, but everything over here was the shops and anything like that. Those big buildings have grew up in the last 10 years, and what I do as a living, those have what I do in a living. I won't let you know what I do because I found it interesting to keep the mystery. Oh, there's something moving. Cool. But in the last 10 years, there have been a lot of new construction and demolition of the old era that was created here. It was the Irish part of Montreal. So you have St. Patrick, Wellington, any kind of Irish street you can think of. They have, I don't know. It was a good place to live at that time for the boats and things. All the manufacturers were here. The old Montreal bridge, not bridge, but the old port, you can see over there. That was the biggest shop. It was the first place that boat will come on the side. They will. The river is treacherous. There's a lot of big things, of rocks. Some. You call. I don't know if you call them rapids, where you can do some. The boat that goes on rapids. There's a lot of rapids on the Saint Laurent River at the end of in the West Island. So the big boats couldn't come, and when they created the new the locks, I think it's called the locks, when they closed to make the level up and down. They made a bigger one. That's now the heart and center of North America shipping, boat shipping way. So without that new place, everybody was supposed to come over here and pass with the big boats here. But since the boats have grew up a lot and didn't fit here, they rearranged a new place to go. So yeah, giving you a little history lesson about where I am. Hope you liked it. Let's continue magnet fishing. I just found a lighter. second lighter I find. And I've got $1. Yeah. Nice Canadian dollar called a loonie. That's for you, Brockton. More money for Brockton. Do you want it? Let's see if you look at my videos, Brockton. If you spot this $1 and you want it, I will bring it to you. I don't know if it's a real old square now, but it's not a railroad spike. If it is, that's the smallest one I ever found. That thing is cool. Nice. And we've got some little thingy. Okay. Go in the water. Go get the chopper. I don't know what it's on the other side, but it's big. Whew. I got a post. Whoa, don't fall, don't fall. Come to Papa. Oh, okay. I got some rebar. Wow. Okay. Let's move it down. Okay. Nice big pipe. Full of mud. Nice big pipe. Oh, there. That's why it's heavy. Two pipe. Nice. That's why it's so heavy. It's clean and it's clean. Yeah. Okay. I think that's the kind of rebar that they use to do this this thing, the concrete pillars. I found one. Cool. I need to make sure not to touch that wall, but I've got a big rebar. Whew. Big rebar and some dirt. I think it's a rebar. Yeah, that's a big rebar. Cool. And I don't know what this thing is. Maybe a welding rod? Look what I catch. That's cool. Awesome. I've got something heavy, but since it's all mud and rocks, it's really tough to bring it in. It's been like 5 throws that every time I'm getting closer and closer with that thing. I'm going little by little, little by little. Oh, we should talk like a French. Bonjour les Français qui savent pas parler anglais. The magnet is stuck to something and it's heavy. Oh, I've got a plate, a huge plate. A huge plate of metal. Do you see it? Look at the mud. It's all going down. Let's give it a push. Yeah, sorry. I love to make fun of the French that doesn't speak well English. Okay, the Titan is now stuck. Uh, I'll come back in a few minutes with the result. So I unstuck my my Titan. A beautiful plate full of mud and a little nail. So yeah, it's pretty stuck on that. That's heavy. Okay, as you can see, it's done. I don't know what it came, but it's out of the water. Whew. I'm done for today. It's been like 4 hours of magnet fishing. Let me show you a lot of stuff, and my bucket is half full, but a lot of chains and locks and things like that. So for another week in a row, you see the 5 roses. So I'll let you go with that, with the 5 roses, just right here. We'll go next week. I don't know where I'm going at. Maybe I'll come back here because I did not finish the piers. There's 2 piers and I only do like half one because there's so much stuff. I did not show you everything because there's a lot of small items, but yeah, it was a cool day. And for everyone, it's Sunday, it's Mother's Day, so everyone, please remove your cap when you're at home with your mothers. Enjoy the time you have with them, because sorry if I lost mine this year, so right, R.I.P. Mom, love you, and have a great Mother's Day. Bye everyone.